Good evening, everybody. This is Dr. S. Vaishnavi from the Department of Full Stack Web Development from Dr. S.N.S. Rajashmi College of Arts and Science. Today, we are going to say about value proposition design in design thinking. So, where value proposition is the challenge of every business. So, design thinking and value proposition design versus business versus startup. So first one we are going to see about briefing the problem and also strategic approaches. So the innovation change, the focus on value, the harsh reality, where 6 out of 10 ideas fall because of they don't solve real customer problems. Universal struggle both. Startup and business struggle to create a value that customers truly want. And also, we have a question: how do you identify and deliver compelling value proposition? So, by creating a compelling product and also the service customers want to buy, the highly practical solution of a business. So here we create a bridge between a customer and also a business entrepreneur. So creating the bridge and also and analyzing the market in day-to-day life. So the next one is design thinking strategy with the problem. So focuses on deeply understanding the customer problems and also needs through empathy, where creating exposure, empathy, ideation, and also prototyping to explore multiple solutions, pathways, and also best suited for complex challenges with uncertain outcomes. So value proposition is a new product based on intuitions or anyone watched in expensive product. So failing in the market, day-to-day market, and also it helps to understand the patterns of the customers and also the business entrepreneurs. So value proposition is essential in business model, where also essential in prototype models, that is an existing method or existing model. So in business context, it is established in business aiming to innovate with existing markets. So here we are going to see about the value proposition design, zooming into a customer value. So zooming into customer value is nothing but getting a feedback from the customer. So first one is complicating business model, where detailing how value is created and focused on matching the pattern or matching the model. So focus on matching products or also services to the customer, jobs to be done. So integrates with the lean startup and customer development to the test validation. It creates the lean startup and also it provides us testing before launching the model or launching the product. So and also essential for the startups to product in the market. So the next one is startup business and also in different stacks and also different needs. So urgency to find a viable business model before resource run out. This is in everything funding is limited. Needed to innovate with risk core operations or brand damage. Balancing innovation with stability. Startup heavily on rapid experimentation using lean up stack up methodology for quick validation. So example essentially the companion, for example we can say as Coca-Cola, where the proven methodology for success and also value proposition sells embed in profitable business model. So we are taking an example of Coca-Cola, that is an proved success market. So these are the frameworks of how to connect with the customers and also with the business people. So first one we will say about design thinking to understand the customer problem deeply through empathy roadmap and also research. So value proposition design is a solution way to customer using structured canvases. So this is a solution for giving direct feedback for the business people. So this lean startup is to build and measure the valid business model. So Agile is a scale to deliver the validate solution immediately and also gives the feedback to the business people. So here is then a real-time example of Apple versus Airbnb. So this is nothing but user design thinking and also an RBA journey. So user value and also innovating products with established market focus on protecting existing categories. Airbnb is an marketplace model from scratch, creatively entering new market category. So these are the pitfalls. Pitfalls are nothing but an error made by a customer or business entrepreneur who are creating existing models. So this is in product market mismatch. Marketing mismatch is building products nobody wants to resource on solution seeking problems. So this is an customer pains and gains leading to irrelevant futures and position, overlooking and social jobs customer care about beyond function needs. Next one is weak differentiation, failing to differentiate from competitors effectively, resulting in commoditial offering. So this is in pains and gains of the customer and also the users and also business people who are getting the feedback. So value proposition is a B2B framework that a product or service is position where the customer values and needs are satisfied. So this is a briefing the problem. So what you do must do first, whereas empathy deeply, mapping customer journey, and also testing oftenly, and also aligning for viability. So empathy deeply is identifying and empathize the target customer. So mapping journey is tracking the jobs done day to day life and day by day for the value proposition. So this is testing is test assumption earlier and avoid the failures. So alignment viability is a value proposition with the business model for long term sustainability. So we are sustaining in a market for a long term. So this is choosing and combining for design thinking is a value proposition for complementary and competing approaches. First one is problem understanding as we have seen, and also an completing value and also validating a scale. So business and startup must tailor their approach to their context. So these are the 3 points. So value proposition is also a fitting between the product and also the market. So proposition is in customer segment, and the value proposition is for existing. The value proposition is a gain creator and also pain reliever for the customer and also for the business entrepreneurs. So this is the puzzle and also a assignment regarding business intelligence collaboration. Thank you for listening the video.